Did you know that over 1 million children and adults get stuck in a room every day? If they only knew how to open a door! Are you one of them? Then this tutorial is something for you. Today I will explain you how to open a pool door. Step 1. Be sure the door is not locked. Twist the key to the left just to be sure. Step 2. Take a good grip on the handle. Pull that sucker down, not up. You can check if the handle is going down if you see the handle is going down. Step 3. Pull the doors towards you and it will start to open. But what if you don't have a hand? No problem, you can use a pair of binoculars. A string will not work. Might work to pull but not push. I do not recommend it. And for my American friends, you can also use your gun instead. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to leave a like, send this video to a friend who may need it.